welcome back to Joe's Garden. Now about 6 weeks ago I brought my bananas out from hibernation. Now I've fed them and obviously now they've grown big. Now two extraordinary things have happened since you was here last with us. My Echium now has flowered and now it's dying. It used to look similar like this. As you can see, the flowers are still there now, but they're going to end up like that. You'll drop seed and hopefully I will get more Echiums come through next year. Now the other extraordinary thing has happened. This is an ornamental yellow banana which was in hibernation along with the red and the more hardy banana. Now what's happened is it's coming to flower. Now it's taken 5 years to get to this stage. Then what will happen is this main section here will die off. Now I deliberately left the pups in. These are called pups, and these hopefully in about 4 years time will get to this size. Now what will happen is once it's flower like this section will die. I will then cut it off and the pups will take over. Absolutely wonderful. Until next time.